Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the derivation of the estimators of parameters r and lambda of a gamma distribution based on the method of moments. That is, given a set of observations xi, where I is equal to 1 to n, it is given n observations, we want to derive the parameters of the gamma distribution. That is, when xi has a gamma distribution of parameters r and lambda, we want to derive the estimators for these parameters r and lambda. So for a gamma distribution, we know that the first moment is given by r by lambda, and the second moment is given by r times r plus 1 over lambda square. Now from the observations, we can also find the first and second moments. That is, x bar, that is the first moment, is 1 by n, I equal to 1 to n, that is the sample moment is 1 by n into I equal to 1 to n xi. And the second moment is, the sample second moment is 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi square. So now by using the method of moment, we basically equate the first moment with the first moment from the PDF with the sample moment, that is 1 by n I equal to 1 to n xi, that is equation 1. And we also do the same thing for the second moment, that is r times r plus 1 over lambda square is equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi square. This is equation 2. So from equation 1, we can rewrite r is equal to lambda times x bar. Now inserting this value in equation 2, for r, we have lambda times x bar into lambda times x bar plus 1 divided by lambda square is equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi square. Clearly, this is equal to, so this equation implies that the lambda times x bar square plus x bar is equal to lambda times 1 by n I equal to 1 to n xi square. So this is a linear equation in lambda, so it can be easily solved as lambda times x bar square. So this is lambda times x bar square minus 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n xi square is equal to minus x bar. So this implies that lambda hat is equal to x bar divided by 1 by n, that is the sample second moment, minus the square of the first moment, the square of the sample mean, that is the sample first moment. So lambda hat is given by this expression, and from this expression, that is r equal to lambda times x bar, that is this equation, we have r hat is equal to lambda hat times x bar, which is x bar squared divided by the second moment, the sample second moment, summation I equal to 1 to n xi squared divided by n minus x bar squared. So this is the estimate for r, and this is the estimate for lambda. So these equations give the estimates for r and lambda based on the method of moments. Thanks for watching.